Welcome to Video Creator, where we explore glorious military history through legendary machines of steel. Today, let's look back at 75 years of tank development on the Korean Peninsula, a dramatic and relentless arms race. The conflict opened with the legendary T-34 of North Korea, a Soviet-built tank that dominated the battlefield in the early stages of the war. Next came the PT-76 amphibious tank, allowing North Korean forces to cross major rivers with ease. As Chinese influence grew, North Korea introduced the Type 59, a near-perfect copy of the Soviet T-54. Meanwhile, south of the 38th parallel, South Korea initially relied entirely on U.S. military aid. The M4 A3E8 Sherman tanks spearheaded the United Nations counteroffensive, confronting North Korean armored forces head-on. After the war, South Korea continued strengthening its armored core with hundreds of M47 Patton medium tanks. By the mid-Cold War period, both Koreas sought technological self-reliance rather than relying solely on imported weapons. North Korea modernized its forces with the powerful T-62, featuring a 115mm smoothbore gun that was highly advanced at the time. Not stopping there, North Korea began domestic tank production with the Chonma-ho series, marking a major turning point in its defense industry. The Chonma-ho was continuously upgraded over decades, becoming the backbone of North Korea's large armored forces. South Korea responded by upgrading U.S. tanks into the M48A5K, optimized for rugged, mountainous terrain. An interesting event occurred when South Korea acquired modern T-80U tanks from Russia as part of a debt repayment agreement. Possession of the T-80U allowed Korean engineers to study explosive reactive armor and advanced auto-loading systems. This experience laid the foundation for South Korea's first indigenous tank project, XK-1, launched in the 1980s. The introduction of the K-1, also known as the Type 88, officially placed South Korea on the map of tank-producing nations. Entering the new century, North Korea continued unveiling advanced Chonma variants, including versions 214 and 216. Notably, the Pokpung-ho, or Storm Tiger, emerged with improved firepower and mobility. This was followed by the Songun 915, featuring a cast turret design reminiscent of modern Western tanks. Most recently, the world was stunned by the unveiling of the M2020, boasting an angular design and active protection systems. The M2020 represents North Korea's most ambitious effort to catch up with modern armored warfare technologies. On the South Korean side, firepower continued to improve with the K1A1, armed with a NATO standard 120mm smoothbore gun. The pinnacle of South Korea's armored technology is the K2 Black Panther, one of the most expensive main battle tanks in the world. The K2 features a unique hydropneumatic suspension system, allowing it to lower, raise, or tilt its hull on uneven terrain. Its advanced fire control system enables automatic target tracking and highly accurate engagement. Beyond domestic service, South Korea's defense industry has expanded globally through massive export contracts. The K2PL variant for Poland clearly demonstrates South Korea's flexible and customizable manufacturing capabilities. Modern warfare demands revolutionary change, as human roles are increasingly supplemented by artificial intelligence. South Korea is developing the K3 stealth tank, a futuristic design featuring radar-reducing armor. The most distinctive feature of the K3 is its fully unmanned turret, with the crew protected inside an armored capsule. North Korea will certainly not stand still, continuing to seek asymmetric solutions to balance military power. Looking back at history, we see a dual-track arms race, from 85mm cannons to modern 120mm guns. Mobility has dramatically improved, transforming slow machines into high-speed mobile fortresses. Armor technology has advanced from simple cast steel to composite armor and active protection systems, APS. Tanks are not merely weapons, but symbols of military power and national resolve. Their development also reflects the rise of heavy industry on both sides of the Korean peninsula. From aging T-34s to the sleek M202, North Korea has shown remarkable adaptability despite sanctions. From the ashes of war, South Korea has risen to become one of the world's leading arms exporters. Despite technological change, tensions along the DMZ remain unresolved. The history of tanks here is a lesson in the importance of technological self-reliance amid complex geopolitics. These steel giants will continue to evolve, shaping the future of modern warfare for decades to come. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive and engaging overview of the history of tank development on the Korean Peninsula. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content on global military history. Thank you for watching Video Creator. Goodbye, and see you again in our upcoming videos.